Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Sharma. Welcome to my channel Dear Life. And today we are going to take you through this exciting journey from Pune to Mahabaleshwar. And this will going to be around three and a half hours of journey. And as per my watch, it is 6:45 here, and we are starting now. And enjoy this journey with us. We will be going to stay in between for a couple of places, and we will be stay in touch and make sure that you enjoy this journey along with us. Thank you. So guys, we have taken just a right turn from a Bangalore highway, and it is around 44 kilometers from here for Mahabaleshwar. So we are going via Y. Y is a small little place over there of a village, but it is all the scenic beauty and the beautiful all the mountains and scenery and the greenery you can see. And nearby there is a Macro garden is there, which is the famous one, and we are very much eager to see the strawberry gardens here. So this is the time where you can enjoy the strawberry garden here, and we are enjoying this journey. And stay with us, enjoy with us, Pune to Mahabaleshwar. Thank you. Bye bye. So guys, this is complete a ghat section when you are going from Y to Mahabaleshwar, and in between there is a Panchgani. So this is what you can see entire the ghat section. The road is very narrow, and you need to be little cautious here while you are driving your car. So, and it will going to take around 30 more minutes for us to reach at Mahabaleshwar. Enjoy this journey with joy of reading. Bye bye. See you. Hi guys, so this is the view you can see here. We are staying in the hotel, which is resort, not a hotel, Nisarg. So now you can see here the lake, Tapoli Lake here, and the sunrise and the beautiful scenic beauty.
आम्ही खाली जाऊन चहा बी पिऊन आलो.
Hi guys, hope you are enjoying this journey. Yesterday we visited Mapro, we visited some of other strawberry garden here in Mahabaleshwar, and the place where we are currently, this is called Tapoli, and this is at the downside of this Mahabaleshwar, and it is around 20-25 kilometers from Mahabaleshwar, but it is a very good because of this scenery you can see here, and this is also called as a Chota Kashmir. So Chota Kashmir, there is no snowfall, but you can see this lake over there, like the lake in Kashmir Valley. So here you can see the natural scenic beauty. So presently it's 7:30 a.m. in the morning, and we are enjoying this sunrise. So today we will be going to visit some more other spots in Mahabaleshwar and Panchgani. So enjoy with us, and wish you a very happy new year.